Hi, this is Daniel with Small Farm Innovations. Today I'm going to show you what to do if on a T394 cab unit. If your 3-point lever inside the cab gets froze up or it's very difficult to move to a point where it feels like you're just bending the lever. This is on the right hand side of the tractor. You're going to see this little plate here with two 14mm bolts or nuts. You're going to back those off and spray some penetrating oil and start trying to work your lever back and forth. Now if it's still frozen up, you'll pop these snap rings off of these pegs here, and then you will pull this off and try to clean any corrosion off of this, and then reassemble it and see if your lever's freed up. You may have to tap on this smaller lever back here with a hammer to get it to free up. But once it's freed up, spray some penetrating oil in there and work it back and forth till it's smooth again. It's a quick, easy fix.